you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do by now. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 10,000 and I cannot believe it, so if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. In today's video, I thought I would kickstart 2022 with a LUSH themed video, and today we're going to be going through the LUSH spoilers for the Mother's Day range for this year. I am so excited. I haven't seen them yet. All I've seen is the title cover, so we're going to go through it together. You guys are going to see my genuine first impressions, and I thought I would share it with you. So if you guys don't want to see the spoilers, don't watch any further. I imagine you probably wouldn't have clicked on this video anyway, so yeah. Without further ado, let's jump into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. So as I did last time, I am just going to go onto Instagram and find the page, and this was from ohmylush.nl on Instagram. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first item is the Besties Bubble Bar, and this is a 2 little giraffe bubble bar situation. Now, I would say this looks like mother and child, but I guess that's kind of the point because it is Mother's Day themed. I really like the look of this. I'm not ever really keen on yellow baths because kind of looks gross, do you know what I mean? But I really like the look of this. It doesn't actually say in terms of fragrance or anything like that, but I imagine it'll probably smell similar to like bright sidey vibes, or there was that giraffe one on a stick once. I probably imagine it'd be like that, but that is the first item. Very excited about that. The next item is a bath bomb, and this is the Elephant in the Tea Room bath bomb. Now this looks very cute. It's half pink, half blue, and it's a teapot elephant combo, and I don't really know what that has to do with Mother's Day, but I really like the teapot idea, so I'm really excited for that. I couldn't really guess what it smells like from the picture. It's either going to be really floral, because I find that a lot of the Mother's Day ranges have been very floral in the past, so maybe it smells like rose or something, who knows. The next item is a repeat from last year, and that is the Rose Gold Bath Bomb. Now this bath bomb I actually used a few weeks ago, believe it or not. I still had one, and it was absolutely amazing, so I am definitely gonna have to pick up another one because it was so good. It smelled unreal, and I'm really excited to give that one a go again, and I just, yeah, gonna have to pick one up. It's beautiful. The water goes a really beautiful like orangey pink with gold shimmer. It's stunning, and cannot recommend it enough. If you guys want like a shimmery bath bomb, highly recommend it. The next one again is another repeat from last year, and that is the Atom Heart Mother Bath Bomb. Now I still can't figure out the name and the look of it, like the relation between the name and the look of it, if that makes sense. If any of you guys know why it's called that or why it looks like that, please let me know. But I really liked this one as well. It was definitely a favourite of mine. I love the ones that have like 3 little things on top, whether they're like bath oils or not. I just really like the look of them, so very excited to give that one another go. Moving on, we have the Wonder Mum iPads. Now I personally am not a massive fan of iPads from LUSH. I find that I don't really tend to gravitate towards them, and because you can only use them once technically, it just seems like quite a bit of a waste of money in my opinion. I know that you can use them more than once, and I have done, but I just forget that they're in my fridge, do you know what I mean? So I will buy one obviously for the video and the haul and everything, but I'm not necessarily overly excited, and I really don't want it to smell like saffron, because by the look of it, it's probably got saffron in it, and the smell of saffron is gross. So yeah, don't know about that one, but I love the look of it, so there's that. We then have the Mimosa Shower Gel. Whether that's going to smell like an actual mimosa or not, I have no idea. It's probably going to smell very orangey, very citrusy. I hope that it's quite moisturising, but I have no idea. Again, it doesn't really say much on these pictures in terms of smell or whatever, so I'm not really sure, but that is the shower gel for Mother's Day. We then have another repeated product from last year, and that is the Jasmine Bath Bomb. I really liked the Jasmine Bath Bomb and the Violet Bubble Bar. I really liked those from last year. They were definitely up there for me in terms of products I really enjoyed, so I would definitely pick up one of those, and I'm really excited that one is coming back. The next item is the soap for this year, and that is the Buzzy Mum Soap. Now I would imagine it would smell like Honey I Washed the Kids, but I don't know, but I imagine that's what it would smell like. It's a very cute bee, has a little smiley face, it is adorable. I do love a soap. I am slowly getting through my soaps. I'm really trying to use them because for years and years I never really liked to use solid soaps. I'm more of a shower gel kind of gal, and obviously because I live with my parents we have hand soap in the bathroom and everywhere, but my mum tends to just put hers out, so I've just had a drawer full of soap for absolutely ages. But I definitely will pick one of these up because it looks absolutely adorable and it just looks like it's going to have a really creamy sweet smell. So yeah, very excited about that. We then have a hand cream, and this is the Lovely hand cream, which is really exciting actually. I feel like they haven't released a hand cream ever for a part of a non-permanent range. Again, I could be completely wrong, but I feel like that is right. I think they used to do the Love and Light hand cream, which was my absolute favourite, and I still have a tiny pot of one left. I am running low and it makes me upset, but it's the most perfect hand cream I've ever used. So maybe this will be a very similar texture, I hope, maybe even a similar smell. But yeah, love a hand cream. You can't go wrong for a hand cream, so I'm very excited to give that a try. And lastly, for the Mother's Day range of 2022, we have the Yummy Custard Body Wash. Now, from the looks of it, I imagine it will smell like Yummy Mummy, which is an absolute classic Mother's Day fragrance, but it looks like it would have a kind of shower smoothie vibe to it. I used to love the shower smoothies from Lush and then they discontinued them, so I think it's just going to be a very thick, moisturising, heavy shower gel kind of vibe, and I'm all for it. I love stuff like that, so I'm really excited to give that a go. And other than that, I think that's everything. There are a few knot wraps, as you guys can see, so those will be released as well, but I'm not really that into knot wraps. I don't know, I'm not really that bothered about them, but if you are, this is a few of them, so yeah, that is what's going to be released. I am so excited, and I definitely will be buying everything to give you guys a full review and like first impressions of scent and everything like that, which I am so excited for. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because it makes my day and I would absolutely love for you to join my corner of the internet. So yes, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!